yeah, I'm about to do a quick Dunkin' Donuts run because I am hungry. But this is really going to be part of the unboxing video because I ordered some stuff from Amazon. Don't shame me. And yeah, but this is going to be the start of that because I got some things. And I want to show y'all my new Vesper thing. It ain't got here yet, but by the time this video come out, obviously I'm going to be unboxing it. So, but let's run to Dunkin' because it's Valentine's Day and I want some coffee and I want a heart-shaped donut. All right, y'all, let's go. All right, y'all, I made it to Dunkin'. Doing a quick little Dunkin' run because when I tell y'all I really want some coffee bad, I'm like, I also want that chocolate donut thing. So that's also why I'm here too. So we get a little bit of both. Glare is crazy. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, I got my caramel fries, got my little coffee. But I really just came for the donut. But you know, you gotta have a coffee too. Good old Dunkin'. But all right, y'all. I'm about to go to work, but this is gonna be part of the unboxing video. I just want to do a quick little cut through thing because I really want this coffee today, and I'm not doing a content day until tomorrow. So that'll be out before this one. All right, bye, y'all. I'm just gonna show y'all some stuff that I got. I did not stop shopping at Amazon, so don't come for me. It was some stuff that I needed. I had to get it from Amazon. I don't shop at Target or Aldi's no more. But y'all, see what these is. Do a little unboxing video. Oh, so I had to get me some black sandals because if y'all would have seen my sandals, y'all see my black sandals I got in here, they are terrible. I think I got them from, I don't know, Shein, one of them. And they is so bad. But I got me some black slides. I'm gonna keep the little white paper in here. So I'm about to, I'm actually gonna wear these today because I forgot I'm wearing black today. But that was cute. Y'all. So I did open this a little bit yesterday. These, once I was going out of plastic. These supposed to be black shams. No, these are supposed to be green pillow shams. And they black, so I'm pissed. But this is my new comforter. It's a quilt, and it's supposed to be lighter because I live in South Florida and it's so hot. And my little comforter, it's a down comforter, but it's so hot. So I'm gonna change it out to this, and then I'll do, actually, that look like green shams right here. So I don't know what the hell this is. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna put this on and I'll show y'all a picture of it later when I, you know, fluff up the pillows and all that stuff. Oh, y'all. So I was in Portugal. I did not have I had a portable charger, but I didn't have the one that did that like the small one you can just click on. So I just went ahead and got this. They had real reviews, so I pray it's good. So I'm doing this now. So I'm gonna have this, and I don't need it today, but I'm gonna keep it because I'm gonna do some Miami walking tour video because I'm gonna be in Miami for a week on orders. So I'm gonna need this for that. There ain't nothing in this box. Alright, so one of the reasons why I kept saying I had to order from Amazon because I didn't see nobody else with these is they had, you know, the emergency radio, and I had to get this emergency radio because, as you know, we in a hostile takeover, and if it really is like the Civil War movie, we need a radio. So, let me see. All right, I got the green one because my favorite color green. So, I mean, it's lime green, but green is green to me.
So I got this. I'm gonna charge it up and I'm gonna try some of the emergency stations just to make sure I can get to them easily on here. And then, yeah, do what to do with that. But make sure y'all get one of these. This is solar powered. And then get the solar power charger too, just in case. I'm gonna try to be long gone before the Civil War happened. But I still got 7 months on my military contract. So I'm gonna be here until I'm being here. So, but make sure y'all get y'all one of these. I think this was only like $30. And I made an unboxing thing on my Amazon storefront. So just go onto the link. I'll put it in the description box and just go get y'all one of these. These is like $30. It was literally not expensive at all. And I know, just pray over y'all, because shopping on Amazon, because they so ridiculous, but with the DEI stuff. But make sure y'all get y'all something so that y'all safe and y'all have the emergency alerts if stuff got to get crazy. But I'm gonna put that there for now. Also, I got me some books because I saw this girl ranting and raving about this book on TikTok. And I was like, I've been seeing it. I had to save to my Amazon cart for forever. And I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and get it because they have some really good advice. And then Vivian too. I don't know if y'all heard her before. But she's good. I follow everything she has. And I follow a lot of black people too. I'm just saying, she is too also good. Dove, just because I needed that. I love their new packaging now. Isn't that cute? And I have to use Dove, y'all. Like, I'm not going to go into all the details from back in the day, but this is good for my pH balance. And I've been using Dove since I was 17. Ain't no point in stopping now because it works. I had to get this because I was trying to cancel out all like the other background noise. So I had to get this so that I can start doing it better now that I'm starting recording. I'm trying to drop a video every single week. So my video and like the tone should be getting better. But and as y'all can see, I'm gonna do a little content day. So I fluffed up my hair and all that good stuff. And let me see. Oh yeah, so my cousin told me to get this because it helps stabilize the videos. And right now I'm on my stick, but I have not opened this yet, obviously. So I need to figure out how to do that. I'm still gonna do a content day today at the market, but I got me a gimbal. What do you call a gimbal? So yeah. Black girl sunscreen. Y'all need that. But you know, celebrate black folks. We need our black girl sunscreen. So, you know, I got my Mary Ruth because I had to cancel my Nutrafol, y'all, because it was so expensive. But this you can get right on Amazon. And like if you buy the Mary Ruth subscription on, and don't say I ain't never told y'all nothing. Y'all buy the Mary Ruth subscription on Mary Ruth, it's like $88. But this was like $25 on Amazon. I just bought this. And then so y'all, it's so funny. So me and my bestie Lana, we were just talking about the matte colors. I'm not a good matte person, but she was like, just put some lip gloss on. So I was gonna put some lip gloss on, but these colors is so cute, and I love just to put like a lip on and then just put some gloss over it. And y'all hair story gloss is the best gloss. I don't care what nobody say. But I thought that these were so cute. I might open them and show y'all, but that probably look crazy, but whatever. Y'all see that? All right, but I'm gonna try some out and just we'll go from there. And then let me see. Oh yeah. All right, and I just needed a brown pair that was durable because I don't know if y'all can see that. Like I needed a real like sole, and if I had got some from Old Navy, and my Old Navy ones, y'all, they falling apart so bad. I just be riding them to the heel because they good for when I go to get my nails done. So I can just kick them off real fast and then just put, you know, toss them to the side. But I needed something with some good stuff, so I ordered the black and the brown pair, and I have to keep it light because obviously I'm trying to move abroad very soon, and I can't be having, you know. All right, y'all. So this is like a whole kit. This is actually cute. I'm not a big makeup person, but I'm gonna try. I'm still gonna put some lip gloss on though. But this is cute. I like it. I know my stuff on the floor, but I thought it was 3 different colors. These kind of all look the same though. This is a little bit darker, but it's cute. Okay. right, y'all. So I got some goodies. Let me push this button. All right, y'all. So I got some goodies. First, I got this. It's gonna end up being part of the unboxing video. I'm gonna just play this first. But I got this. I just was playing with it too. It's supposed to spin. I charged it, so it's supposed to spin once I turn it on all around the room wherever I'm walking to full 360. And it has the light and everything. This is so cute. Just gotta hold it down and it turns off the light. But I really like this. So I'm gonna test this out and then y'all gonna start seeing it. But all right, so we are gonna be unboxing. I actually already unboxed this, but I want y'all to see because it's so cute. So story time. Some time ago. This is a Louis Vuitton passport book. I didn't even know I wanted this. My bougie cousins told me about it, or my other bougie cousin, and now I feel like I just had to have it. So I'm gonna show y'all. If y'all have never heard, I have never heard of this before. My cousins told me about it, like in January of this year, and so I'm gonna show y'all my brand new Louis Vuitton passport book, and it's already got a stamp in it. So. Woo. All right, I love how they put the cloth on just to keep everything nice and pretty. So nice. And they had a bow on it too, but I took that bow off a long time ago. All right, y'all, look at it. It's so pretty. Look. Isn't that nice? And then look, the best part. Look. My initials. I love this. And then, of course, I got my Portugal stamp, baby. Ain't playing. But I love this so much. So shout out to my bougie cousins because they got me hooked on this. Woo! I'm happy for this, honestly. And I'm gonna try to get my stamps. I don't like that she came a little bit farther over. I wish she would have been like right up on the crease and then we could put more. But it's very nice. It feels so lovely. Yay! I'm so happy. All right, y'all. So next. I'm so excited. All right, y'all. So I've been waiting for this for so long, and every single time I go on to Love Crave, the gold one that I really, really, really want is always sold out. So, obviously, I got this. I put in the order 2 or 3 days before Valentine's Day, and I check 2 days before. I'm gonna do this every time, and of course, when I checked 2 days before, it was fine. But when I finally got the money to be able to actually get this item, then because I do ties, save, invest, spend. Like that's my ritual. And y'all, I really wanted the gold one, but it was sold out. And I was like, dang, I can't keep putting this off. I ain't gonna never get one. And I'm planning to move abroad. So I just want to have like all my little trinkets, like my must haves with me. So this is Crave. It's so cute, y'all. Look at the sticker. I can't with them. Look at that. Can you see that? I can't. That is so cute. All right, so let's see it. Okay, the packaging. The packaging is given. This is like an all-woman CEO, woman-ran company. So you know you got to support. Ah, that looks so pretty. Look at that. I can't. All right, so it is handcuffs and a rose gold. That feels really good. Vibrator. So look at that. I'll take a picture. But oh my god. Okay, wait, I'll take one. Oh my god, nice. Ah! Yeah, I'm so excited. I love handcuffs. I'm just gonna wear them as bracelets because you see how I'm gonna actually take it out of here, but I'm gonna get a quick photo first, real quick. But oh, it's a necklace too, so I want to show y'all the necklace. But let me get a photo and then I'm gonna hop back on here. All right, all right, y'all, let's go. See, I'm so excited. All right, so let's look at the handcuffs first. All right, they are so cute, and you can adjust them right here. Y'all see that? Oh, these are so cute. And they black. I really wanted to go ones, but these, I like them. I like them. All right, so this is the moment we all been waiting for. Y'all, they got a warning on here. What does warning say? To avoid serious injury, do not insert Vesper into urethra, anus, or vagina. Y'all, this is a vibrator. So don't put it in nothing. Just put it on something, okay? Jesus. Got a whole morning. Lord have mercy. But this is so pretty. You can wear it as a necklace. I love this. Y'all, when I tell you I'm all right, y'all. So my sister was talking to me, so I had to take it off because she was being weird. But I just want y'all to see like how big it is or how small it is, whatever. But it is so cute. I was so happy. They got all these warnings on here. That's crazy. You gotta tell somebody like don't insert it, but whatever. You see that? But yep. All right, y'all. Let's go to the next video. Oh yeah, the Amazon haul. All right. Yay!